How to fix American Airlines app not working, keep crashing, and stop unloading screen. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing app crashing and stock unloading screen of American Airlines. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of American Airlines on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. So to check this, you can go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store according to your device and then click on the search bar in the bottom right corner of the screen. Type in American Airlines. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button highlighted in blue color instead of open right over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back and also make sure that your internet connection is stable. The next thing you can do is open your system settings, scroll down and then go to apps. Click on the search bar at the top and then type in American Airlines. Once you find the app, tap on it and scroll down and then go to storage. Click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you have to be very careful regarding this. Now come back. Also try for stopping this application and enable it again. Then tap and hold the application and click on uninstall to uninstall the application completely from your device and then reinstall it using the Play Store. Last but not least, you can also try restarting your entire device and then relaunch the application and see if that resolves the problem. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the American Airlines app not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.